Hello again, welcome back. In this video we're going to be doing a tour of the Southall Green Quarter. Now, as you can see, Green Quarter just backs onto the railway line there, going into Southall. And on this one we're not going to be doing a walk, we're going to be doing a cycle. And the reason for this is it's quite a large area, so I think we'll cover it quicker on a bike, but we'll be going pretty slowly. Just having a look around the area. So if you want to join me for this cycle, there's a little bike there in the side. You want to grab hold of it. Now it's known as the Green Quarter or Parkside. It was initially a load of old factories and warehouses, and they knocked it down. Some of them they kept, which is one of those there, as you can see in the distance. Converted that into flats now. But most of it they've knocked it down, redeveloped it, and turned it into what they call Green Quarter. And it is pretty nice, I have to say. It's been going on now for a couple of years, and it's been added to all the time. Now it has got designated cycle lanes, as you can see, one here. Even though the arrow's going the other way, I'm sure it won't matter me cycling down it. Now I'm only going slowly so you can have a look properly as we go. As I say, you've got the old flats there on the right hand side. They kept those because I think it was a listed building, but a lot of it they just knocked down. This is running parallel along here with the railway. You've got Southall, which is the Elizabeth line, and also the fast trains, the GNER, run through here as well. And if you go further up, which we will go to in the video, you come to the canal, Grand Union Canal, which runs from here into Paddington. So you can see all the boarding up on the side there for all the new homes. So a lot of it there, as you can see, is boarded off. I think that would be phase 2 or phase 3 or whatever it is. But you can see the ones in the distance there that have already been built. And we're just going to cross over here. And the ones in the distance are the ones that have already been built. That would have been phase 1, presumably. Now they're very nice, these apartments. I've been and had a look at them, and we'll have a look at them again now. You've got the sign there on the right for the Green Quarter. It's sometimes called Parkside as well. I'm not quite sure which bit is which. But we've got a designated cycle lane here. Parkside Yards, the Green Quarter, Berkeley Homes. So as you can see, there's work going on all the time. They're adding to it. Been going on for a number of years now. And if you run along the canal, well, not run along it, cycle along it or walk along it, you can see where the next phase is going along. And also if you're on the Elizabeth line train, you can see it as you're going towards Ealing Broadway. It runs along and you can see where they're actually adding to it. It is a vast site. Some of the workers there, maybe going for their tea break. They're all heading in one direction. So we're just going along this little path now, and this takes you out to the canal, as I was mentioned earlier. And it's really nice. And if you turn left here, that will take you towards Hayes and Slough. There's a little branch where it branches off. Go over a little humpback bridge, and that will take you towards Hayes. And on the right, that'll take you towards Brentford. And if you go down to the humpback bridge, you can go to Slough one end and to Paddington the other way. Really nice if you cycle it. I've done it a few times. But we'll go back in and have a look at the rest of the Green Quarter. Now it is a large-scale redevelopment, the Green Quarter. It used to be the gas works, Southall Gas Works, and I think they're aiming to deliver between 4,000 and 8,000 homes. And as I say, I think it's done over 2 or 3 phases, so it's still ongoing, and it's going to include housing, shops, cafes, leisure amenities, spaces, a primary school, a health centre, community centre, offices and retail commercial space. So they've got a lot of plans for it. Now probably the reason why they're developing it and investing in it is its proximity to the station. So you've got the Elizabeth line and Crossrail, which makes it very handy for getting into central London, and for people that work in London and just want to commute out, it's going to be ideal. And apparently the residents get access to a private parkside club. I'm just reading some notes here, which includes gym, fitness centre, co-working space, concierge, secure cycle storage, communal lounges and other shared facilities. So there's quite a lot here, and as you can see, it's called the Green Quarter, and it is living up to its name here. Very nice. And the apartments look very nice as well. I mean, obviously I haven't been inside any of them, but from the outside they look pretty good. I think they've done a good job of it.
Sorry. Oh my god,
So it says here from mid to late 2020s or even into the 2030s. So it's going to be ongoing for a number of years yet. So I'm probably going to come back and have a look at it again, but we'll just have a quick look around it now today. It's pretty nice, I'm sure you'll agree. Now historically this area was the Southall Gas Works from the 19th century until the 1960s, and it was used for gas production and other industrial purposes. But because of contamination from industrial use, the land needed extensive soil remediation before it could be safely converted. Now this soil hospital process was completed in 2019. And it's part of a broader push to regenerate brownfield land. This is what it's saying in my notes. But as you can see, if we go out here, we got into the residential part of Old Southall, so it's all kind of interconnected. You can see these houses, 1930s built, or round about that time, right next to it. So it's all well served with the station. And we'll go back in again and have another look. Now the aim is also to make the area one of the UK's more biodiverse new town style developments, with wetlands, habitats for wildlife, green corridors and high quality landscaping. Now I think they have done a good job of that. As you can see, it's plants everywhere situated along by the flats and the apartments, so it's kind of nice to walk and, like I say, to cycle as well. Now it is quite a big area, that's the reason why I didn't actually do it on foot. It would have took quite a long time to cover the area, so I tried to cycle it and go as slow as possible so people can get a good look at it. And as I say, I think they've done quite a good job of it so far. So we're back on the old bicycle path again here. It's quite well laid out, I have to say. You've got the walkways for pedestrians, a nice green plants there, room for traffic, and then you've got the canal on the end as well, and also it backs onto the station. Now you can get into central London in probably around about 30 minutes, or around about 50 minutes into Paddington, which is pretty good going, it has to be said. So I think that's one of the reasons why they chose this site. It's got a lot of potential, and it's a phased site, and it's going to be going on for a number of years yet. So they're going to be encouraging people to sort of move out here. Pretty much like the old new towns that were built a few years ago, or say a few years ago, 50 or 60 years ago, like Harlow and Milton Keynes. I think this is a modern version of that. So that's closed off, so they're obviously still working on that. So we'll head off down to the canal again. I have to say I do like it, so anybody wanting to cycle to work, or you can go along the canal, or if you want to get the train into work, you can go up to the station. So it's all pretty much well connected. And there we go, we're on the canal side again. We're going towards Hayes. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I'm going to cycle back towards Hayes now. So as ever, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like and subscribe. And if you're feeling really generous, you can buy me a coffee, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.